The 2024 BMW X6 is a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation and luxury. As the newest model in the X6 series, which was first launched in 2008, this vehicle seamlessly blends the practicality of an SUV with the elegance of a coupe. This year's model boasts several enhancements, ensuring it remains a top contender in the luxury crossover market. Visually, the 2024 X6 stands out with its updated front and rear fascias, complete with a redesigned grille, headlights, and taillights. Its distinctive muscular contours and the signature sloping roofline differentiate it from the conventional SUV design. The introduction of fresh wheel designs and a palette of new exterior colors further accentuates its aesthetic appeal. The interior of the X6 is nothing short of luxurious. It is equipped with the state-of-the-art iDrive infotainment system, anchored by a 12.3-inch touchscreen. The revamped dashboard and center console exude contemporary sophistication. For added comfort, the front seats now come with ventilation, heating, and massage capabilities. The ambient lighting and premium leather upholstery further elevate the cabin's ambiance. Performance-wise, the 2024 X6 does not disappoint. It offers robust turbocharged engines, with the xDrive 40i variant powered by a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine producing 335 horsepower. Those seeking more power can opt for the M60i, which houses a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivering over 600 horsepower. Both models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and feature BMW's renowned xDrive all-wheel drive system. In terms of fuel efficiency, the X6 offers competitive mileage, with the inline-6 variant providing 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, while the V8 model offers 17 mpg city and 22 mpg highway. It's worth noting that the X6 requires premium 91-octane gasoline. Safety is paramount in the 2024 X6, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features coming as standard. These include forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and parking sensors. Additionally, BMW introduces new tech options such as a surround view camera system, remote parking assist, augmented reality video display, and an enhanced automatic parking system, emphasizing their focus on cutting-edge driver aids. When it comes to performance metrics, the X6 M50i impresses with its ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.1 seconds, courtesy of its potent V8 engine and sport-tuned suspension. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, which can be adjusted for sharper handling when needed. While the X6 offers a respectable cargo space of 27.4 cubic feet, which expands to 59.6 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. It's slightly less than some traditional SUVs. However, its towing capacity stands at a commendable 6,000 pounds when adequately equipped. In terms of pricing, the 2024 X6 starts at approximately $70,000 for the xDrive 40i variant, while the high-end X6 M60 is priced around $100,000. Given its standard all-wheel drive, opulent features, and impressive performance, the price point is justified. It faces stiff competition from rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLA Coupe, Porsche Cayenne Coupe, and Audi Q8. However, the X6 has an edge with its dynamic handling and plush interiors. The 2024 BMW X6 continues to uphold its legacy of offering a unique blend of style, luxury, and performance. With its latest updates, it remains a formidable player in the luxury crossover arena, holding its own against both German and European competitors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.